This is Bridger H with University of Wyoming Extension. Do you have some calves that you're thinking about putting on contract? Has your buyer talked to you about the price slide? How do you know if that price slide's fair for you, or how do you know how to manage that? Well, the University of Wyoming has a Wyoming Ranch Tools site with a price slide calculator on it that can help you make those sorts of decisions. Let's go to that site now and take a look and see if we can work through an example.
Price slide calculator is actually the tool that gets used the most on the website. So we select price slide calculator here. This calculator helps us determine if the price slide in a contract is a fair price slide for us, or if we need to think about managing our calves differently. So the way this calculator works, you would enter your contracted price. If you contracted calves at $150 a hundredweight and their contracted weight was $600, that means you have a projected total value of $900 per calf. Then you would enter the overweight slide, in this example at $6 a hundredweight, and the underweight slide, $4 a hundredweight. Sometimes our contracts don't have an underweight slide. In fact, the majority only have overweight slides. It is something you might consider trying to negotiate with your buyer as an underweight slide, but certainly overweight slides are very common, and $6 is a reasonable overweight slide. So if we get to our delivery date and we had contracted those 600-pound calves, but we actually deliver 640-pound calves, that's a weight difference of 40 pounds. So the calculated slide adjustment is $2.40. So our adjusted final price would be $147.60. So instead of getting $150 per hundredweight for our calves, for our 600-pound calves, we would get $147.60 a hundredweight for our 640-pound calves. Now you'll notice that that's more per calf. That's $944.64 per calf versus $900. So we are still getting paid more, even though we have a slightly lower price because of the price slide. So that value difference of $44.64 gives us a break-even cost of gain of $1.12 per pound. So what that means is if you were able to put that extra 40 pounds on your calves for less than $1.12 per pound, then certainly this is a good contract to enter. You were able to put that extra weight on for less than they paid you for it. So, you know, it's a good solid contract. Now, if it cost you $2 a pound to put those extra pounds on those, those calves, then this price slide would be negative for you. And what you might want to do then is sort off your heaviest calves and try and market your calves so you come in there closer to that 600-pound contract. So that's how this calculator works. It's a quick, easy, simple calculator to use and gets used a lot on this website. Hopefully you've enjoyed this and you'll use this calculator, and you'll join us for our other videos in this series looking at the rest of the tools on the Wyoming Ranch Tools site. Thank you.